How can I start a 3D printer business? Starting a 3D printer business can be a rewarding and exciting opportunity, but it will also require careful planning, market research, and the ability to manage a business. Here are some steps you can follow to start a 3D printer business. Develop a business plan. A business plan will help you clarify your business goals, understand your target market, and outline the costs and resources needed to start and operate your business. Research the market. Understand the demand for 3D printing services in your area and assess the competition. Choose a business structure. Decide on the legal structure of your business, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. Obtain financing. Determine how much capital you will need to start and operate your business, and explore financing options such as loans or investments. Purchase equipment. Research and choose the 3D printers and other equipment you will need for your business. Set up a workspace. Choose a location for your business and set up a workspace that meets the needs of your operation. Promote your business. Develop a marketing plan to promote your business and attract customers. Stay up to date. Keep up with developments in the 3D printing industry and adapt your business as needed to stay competitive. How much does it cost to buy a 3D printer? The cost of a 3D printer can vary widely depending on the type, size, and capabilities of the printer. Basic, entry-level 3D printers can cost as little as a few $100s, while high-end, industrial-grade 3D printers can cost tens of thousands of dollars. Some factors that can affect the price of a 3D printer include type of printer. Different 3D printing technologies, such as FDM, SLA, and SLS, can have different price points. Size of the printer. Larger printers tend to be more expensive than smaller ones. Quality and accuracy of the printer. More precise and higher quality printers will generally cost more. Features and capabilities. 3D printers with more features, such as a heated build plate or a larger build volume, will tend to be more expensive. Overall, you can expect to spend anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s on a 3D printer, depending on your needs and budget. What can a 3D printer make? A 3D printer can make a wide variety of objects, ranging from simple shapes to complex designs. Some common items that can be printed with a 3D printer include toys and figurines, jewelry and accessories, home decor items, kitchen and household items, educational models and prototypes, medical and dental devices, industrial parts and tools. The specific items that a 3D printer can make will depend on the capabilities of the printer, including the size of the build volume, the type of printing technology it uses, and the materials it is able to print with. Some 3D printers are able to print with a wide range of materials, including plastics, metals, ceramics, and even food, while others are limited to just a few materials. JohnTheGreat88@gmail.com. How can I obtain funding for 3D printer business? There are a number of ways you can obtain funding for a 3D printer business, including personal savings. You can use your own savings or investments to fund your business. Loans. You can apply for a business loan from a bank or other financial institution. Grants. You may be able to find grants or funding opportunities specifically for 3D printing or manufacturing businesses. Crowdfunding. You can use a crowdfunding platform, such as Kickstarter or Indiegogo, to raise funds from a large number of people. Investors. You can seek out investors who are interested in investing in your business in exchange for a stake in the company. Before applying for any funding, it's important to have a solid business plan in place that outlines your goals, target market, and financial projections. This will make it easier to persuade potential funders to invest in your business.